What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyler here, back with another video. Right, today I can't wait. It's a big day for me, especially for this car. Today is when I install my TRC splitters that I've been waiting for, and it's definitely a big changer for me. So I can't wait to get this done. I'm going head over to my boy, get this done, get it jacked, so on like that. But before the video starts, this video is sponsored by B7 Performance. As I was saying in all the other videos, make sure to go hit him up. If you want anything cheap for your car, parts and etc., make sure to hit him up. As you can see, if you lot haven't seen, obviously I've done it with my cars as well. The quality of the materials are pretty good. Make sure to use the 10% of my discount code, which is Tyler Scott, in all capitals, for 10% off of all parts. Make sure to hit him up. You can get like stuff like this. It's all like lanyards and stuff. But yeah, he does do. It's not just Mark 7s, Fiestas and stuff like that. It's for all cars. Hit him up. Go to b7performance.com for more, and you can have a look at the website. You can do what you want. Pay for it. Let him know that you've seen my videos and you've come across me to go towards his website. It'd be much appreciated. So yeah, we're just currently jacking. Boom. Nice. That's that, and now it's time for the drilling. Right guys, this is obviously the side skirt. I think we've got 5 holes in it. It's more than 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but this one, it looks like that's been...
I think you can have it different angles, yeah?
Yeah, I reckon so. That looks like it's been drilled dodgy, to be fair.
If you ever get something like that, I'd rather go for that one than that one, to be fair. I don't know, to be fair. Yeah, I personally would. So what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5. As you see, it's gloss black. Oh mate, this looks stunning, man. You said it's 5 yeah?
Yeah, I reckon it's 5. I think that's 5 glass.
Yeah. Yeah, we're doing that. We've currently got it standing at the moment. And yeah, so what we've got to do is use the bad boy drill. Draw our points, screw them in, and there you go. Right. Oh, There's the bolts, man. Oh, that's it, my belly's hanging out. If you guys don't realise, right, before all this, Ross here threw some bloody shitty wood at me.
Yeah, and apparently his eyes are now corroding.
They were. He said the wood's corroding, now it's hit my eyeballs. Right. What you want to do is, obviously, you have to screw in, so that's the depressing part. And it's not nice. Screw in. They come with Allen key bolts. What's the size of them? What did you say they were?
4mm, I think, screws.
Oh, 4mm. Right, don't want to do it too tight because I've got to put the washers in it on it. How did you see down there?
I just felt for it.
Yeah, so guys, that's what you got to do. You got to make sure I think there's 6 either side, and then so once we do this, we'll show you what the outside is, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Right. No, it is that way. This one. That's it. Oh, look. Oh. Oh, that car's smashed, mate. Wind up. Oh.
Oh, that is a mashed up car.
Here we go, boys. Mate, I'm the real mechanic out here, mate.
Oh.
What? Look, bud, look. I know how to screw into plastic, mate.
Well, mine, but who's done most of the work?
Me, mate. Yeah. I think that one's been enough.
Still gotta get your bolts on. No.
Oh, that'll be after, isn't it?
Yeah.
See, the reason why, guys, we've got to do this quite quick because the road that we're on now, it's like an M25. You've got to be hurry, otherwise...
Are you going to screw it in or what?
It's going in, isn't it?
No.
What's going on then? The keys are in the way. There you go.
Well, your drilling holes are wonky, bro.
No fucking ain't.
You say, oh, look at that.
Wait, ain't no one out.
You've got to take the back one off from the back.
Right, now that's what it looks like now. As you can see, I'm not showing you the whole car yet. But yeah, so we're about to take the jack stands off and then we're going to see what the actual outlook of the whole car is once it's on a flatter road, if you know what I mean, because it's sloped. So put it flat and then yeah, we'll show the outcome. What we're going to be doing is take this off now. Oh, bro. Don't get my legs run over, you know what I mean? Mate, I'm a pinky. As they say, fucking salty potato. Oh, well, yeah. What, mate, must have a fit out there. I'm sniffling. Man's got Rona.
Yeah, but it's spicy, blood.
That's what I hate when you look underneath cars, right? When you... Oh, I thought a car coming. When you look underneath cars, man, they look rusty as fuck, innit? Look. Oh, man. Yeah. Look. Go. It's like a fire train, isn't it? Like, quick, go. Listen to this, oldie.
Oh, bro, I'm scared to rock him.
Nice.
This shit now.
Drop that bit. One down, one down. Oh, I've got to take my car at the top because I can't let you see.
Oh, it's not like that. Just a reminder, yeah. If you lower your car first, then put your splitters on.
Oh.
Be careful when you're taking this shit out using this.
Oh yeah, if you got one of these, like this Halford ones, right? Basically, like me, if you lowered your car, and when you put one of these splitters on, you cannot put it underneath this and drop it, because what it does, because this comes down like, we both admitted that's an inch and a half. That's definitely an inch and a half.
We can show them how like, you can't get this out once we take that.
Well,
we'll
that
we'll get under that one.
Oh,
yeah.
So we'll drop it. So what we're saying is, if I was you, with your rear axle, just put it on that, take the pressure off it, and then literally, then you can take the pins and that out, and then jobs are good.
Jobs are good. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, bro.
Whee. Like that. So it's taking that part off. Wait till this wiggles like that. Bosh. Jobs are good, Now lower it. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. And this is what we were saying, right? Look, because my car's lowered, it's 30 mil. If you guys don't know, it's 30 mil.
So we got it under there without it, of course. Yeah. We lowered the car, took the axle stands out, realised we now can't pull it back out.
You ain't pulling it out. So what we did last time, it was at the front, and yeah, it collapsed on it, and it's not damaged on the other side. It happened on the other side, but it hasn't damaged that. But just be careful when you do this. So yeah, now it's showing the final outcome. Right guys, that is the end of the video for today. As you can see, the outcome on this car for the ZTEC is massively transformed. It looks hard, it looks so much better. Mate, we're getting for this summer. We're getting there, we're getting all the looks and stuff like that now. And there's definitely more to come. I can't wait. I can't wait to get my hair done. I can't get my hair done. I'm waiting until the 24th because look at it, it just looks absolutely trash. I'm getting annoyed because it looks like the fringe is just gone somewhere, do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so yeah, I can't wait. Yeah, but thank you for watching. Obviously, I keep saying every video, I can't thank you lot enough. Yeah, it's a crazy grind, to be fair. Like, I just don't know what to say, do you know what I'm saying? Like, we're nearly at 2K. My channel also has hit over 50,000 views on my whole channel, which is absolutely immense. Do you know what I mean? Right, YouTube career is hard, but I can't thank you for enough because you lot watch my videos, the comments, the likes. It's jokes, man. It's crazy. So thank you. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So stay tuned for the next video. Make sure to hit up B7 Performance for your kits and stuff like that. Anything you need, lanyards, something little. Don't be shy. I got one. Do you know what I'm saying? But yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Out, boys.